The Himalaya Drug Company successfully signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Inspectorate General of Prisons on Wednesday. Through this memorandum, Himalaya will train the prison inmates at Sada and Kolwale jail on cultivating medicinal herbs with an aim to rehabilitate them into mainstream society once their jail term ends.
Today we are here for the launch of Himalaya's Prison Farming Initiative, which is one of the initiatives which we started in 2011, like Ramson said, and is very close to our hearts. Himalaya has been associated with wellness for people, wellness through its products. We have continuously been contributing towards this wellness ever since last 8 decades. One of these initiatives which we thought is a little different from what we have been doing, and which will also help wellness of people from all strata. Like there were some programs which we were doing on the CSR level for various sectors. So we thought, why not we do something for the inmates of the prisons? They also need to have a decent life once they are out of the prisons. They also need to be trained. They also need to be educated on whatever is possible so that they can continue with their life and their families do not suffer in the long run. So we started this program with the Andhra Pradesh State Prison program, and today I'm very happy to tell you it's running very successfully in Anantapur as well as in Vizag. We have contacted the government of Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka and many other states, and we wish to take this pan-India.
Correctional Administration that we have signed an MOU, or we are signing this MOU with Himalaya Drug Company. This is one of the series of initiatives that we have taken in the last few months, and this association with Himalaya just happened as we got some little bit of information about this program that is carried out in Andhra Pradesh, in Vizag and Anantapur. So we made some inquiries with them, and they were more than willing to immediately come and throw light on the whole thing. They did extensive surveys which we allowed. You know that we have vast tracts of land at Kolwale, the total area being almost 225,000 square meters. So also we have a lot of land in Sada, and this was the best way we could think of putting it to use. And the main idea behind this is to empower the inmates who are there, to give them skills.